So please give the headline as step number 2. Article submissions. Alright, so coming to step number 2, article submissions. The best example is Wikipedia. Now, who is owning Wikipedia? It's not a private entity, it belongs to public. Even you and me can go into Wikipedia, register, log in, and submit an article on any of the topic that we like. At the bottom of the article, you may have seen even links in Wikipedia. So we can get backlinks from Wikipedia too. So an article submission site is termed as an open blog because in such sites, the administrator, the site owner does not publish the matter. Rather, he gives the opportunity for the registered users to come to the site, register, log in, and submit article on your favorite topic. So we are helping that particular site to get content for different topics. So such sites, they target diversified keywords for SEO. Rather than hiring a content writer and paying him salary, they have made their blog open wherein anybody is invited. Please come and publish the matter. But what benefit do I get by writing the content in their site? In return, you can acquire a link. Whatever the article that you are publishing there, along with the article, you can even post backlink. That is how you will be able to create a competitor link. We are going to publish the matter exactly matching with our keyword. And in that same page, we are going to place our link. Search engines are least bothered who may have written that article. They are only going to know what is the content of the web page. If that page content matches with the destination page content and so is the anchor text, then that link will be treated as a competitor link with a very high weightage. That is why the most important point in article submission is that you get 100% competitor link because the content is in your hands. So the site owner gets content and the publisher gets the backlink. Likewise is a mutual understanding. Minimum 300 word article would be required in majority of the sites. Some of them agree for even less few words, but a 300 word article is an ideal size. While that you are submitting an article, you may find a box along with the form as author, editor, okay, or signature. If such box is found, then place the Ahref backlink code in that particular box. And in case no such box is found, then place the Ahref backlink code at the bottom of the article itself. After that, you are going to submit the article and you will get a message that the article will be reviewed by the admin. 10% of the sites will auto approve it, but 90% there would be manual checking. So mainly they check for plagiarism. So while that they have checked manually, the content is found to be unique, no grammar mistakes, then they would approve it. It's almost a sure shot approval in case the content what you are writing is unique without any grammatical mistakes. That means a proper authentic article that you have published, then expect 100% approval rate because there is no reason for the site administrator to not approve the content if you have written it by yourself. Only worry is the plagiarism. So for content which is copied, the approval rate is almost 0%. So never ever copy the content from other websites. So we'll see a shortcut. Through a certain code, you can only get PDF results in search engine. It is said that some of the article submission site, not all, only some of the article submission site, almost around half, are not able to detect the content from the PDF files. So we can play with this trick. So in order to get only PDF files in the Google search results, you need to search in this way. So file type. Firstly the topic. So in order to get only PDF files in the search results, you need to search in this fashion, whatever is your topic, space, file type, colon, PDF. So let's see. Let's say I want some content on stock market. See, these are all PDF pages. Are you able to see that? All the results will be only PDF. So you can copy the content from these files. First, place it in Notepad. Format it if needed. Align the content properly. I think this should be sufficient for 300 words. So like this, you need to gather the content from the PDF files, and then Open the article submission site. So the list of the article sites are there in the folder itself. Here. So the list is arranged according to the alphabetic order. On the left side, there are so many sites here, more than 500. Okay. However, among this, the best ones I have filtered on the right side. Approximately 50 sites are here. So just follow this list, it is more than sufficient. Okay. Only follow the list on the right side, this is more than sufficient. For each topic that you wish to rank on top, you will have to submit one article in each of the sites. I want to rank on top for stock market training. I want to rank on top for SEO training. I want to rank on top for digital marketing training. I need to submit on each topic one article in each of these sites. You can repeat the list of the article submission site for every topic you wish to do SEO. Look at the page rank what these sites have got. Look at the Alexa rank what they have got, which is a clear indication that the sites are very good in terms of SEO. Whether the link is do follow, no follow is mentioned in this column. So by default it is do follow, but in case the link is no follow, I marked it as NF. But doesn't matter because this is not a search engine. Do follow, no follow backlink does not have any role in SEO. Only it is that if a search engine link is no follow, then zero value. But because they are not search engines, even though it is a no follow backlink, it is going to push your page on the top. So let us do a couple of article submissions in the same way you can do for the rest of the websites. So I've got my content ready in the notepad file. Just write a note here. So register and login. Let me go into the website where I remember my credentials, hubpages.com. So register, login and click on write article. So on what topic do I want to write? So this is how my page address would look like. At this particular page, my article would be present in case it is approved. Please select the most appropriate category, subcategory. Continue. So this is a title. Make sure that the theme of this page should exactly match with the desired keyword for your page. For what topic are you doing SEO for the destination page? That should be highlighted everywhere in this page. Only then this will be treated as 100% competitor link, which is equivalent to several tens of backlinks. Okay. Summary. It is like a meta description. Write down 2-3 lines regarding what you are going to write, just the summary of it, and make sure that your keywords are present even in this summary. So just 2 lines of summary that has my keyword again, and then here I write the article. Always copy paste through Notepad in order to avoid footprints. Footprints in the sense, if you directly copy paste from PDF file, there is a chance that the owner of this article website may detect it and may reject your article. That is why. Even with this, half of them will reject. Be prepared for it. For this step, even 50% approval rate is sufficient, because we require only 20 to 25 backlink from article submission side. Okay, so this is how the article would look like. There are some spaces in between. Kindly align it properly. What happened? These are all my previously submitted articles. So this is not published, it is still in the draft mode. Okay. Now you should be able to find a box as author, editor or resource. Do we have here? No, we do not have it. Then in such a case, what is to be done? AHREF code backlink has to be formed at the bottom of article itself, because that is what is our primary objective. So I click on edit, and at the bottom of the article itself I try to acquire a backlink. The keyword for which I am aiming to rank on top is stock market outlook. So that has to be the anchor text. I can select that and click on link. If you have a toolbar, make use of the toolbar. If you do not have a toolbar, then you may have to type manually in the backend in the HTML section AHREF. We have already discussed the syntax for the backlink. So let me create a page on stock market outlook so that I can get the backlink for that particular page. So this is the page for which I want a backlink. So I am copying it, just a dummy page. I click on link and I provide the address of the page. So in the backend you are going to get AHREF code itself. Okay, now this is an anchor text backlink. Save. Publish. That's all. The article has gone for review. It's not yet published live. But once it is approved, okay, it's already approved. So there is a page created in hubpages.com/money/stock market outlook. In this particular page, the content is exactly matching with my page content. Alright. And the anchor text is also matching exactly with the source and destination page. Sooner or later the search engine will be scanning this page. They'll be reading this page and they'll read this link. They'll also see where does this link lead to. So that destination page will be given 1 point for the topic stock market outlook. Like this we will have to acquire 1 plus 1 plus 1 like that backlinks. So the advantage to the site owner is always the content. Like yesterday we discussed about Just Dial, Sulekha and all. They want to have a business listing of various categories and subcategories in all the metro cities. They can send their executives and they can collect the data. This is one way. But imagine what salary they have to pay for thousands of executives just to collect data. Second thing, who will update it? Today I shift to my office. If it is online, I can do it myself. But if it is executive, I have to always inform him, and people don't have so much of patience. That is why what Just Dial has done, he says that, see, you only come to my site, you only add your business. In return, you take a backlink if you want. Because even if he is giving a backlink, for him there is no loss. The receiver is benefited, but giver is never at loss. That is why there are people willing to give you backlink for the content support that you give to them. So that is how both are mutually benefited. Wherever the backlink is approved, kindly keep a note of it. Later we'll see what we have to do. If the backlink is already approved, copy paste all those URLs in Excel sheet or in the notepad. Later we will see what we'll have to do with it. Let's do one more submission. This is also an article submission site. Right. Again targeting the same keyword. There is no summary. So I can directly put in my main content. So I require a 300 word article related to this topic, maybe from the same PDF file but different content. There's still a lot of content left here, so we can make use of this. Okay, but it's more of charts and all. Kindly format the data. Okay, so looks good. Alright, so this is a proper article that we have. So I press Ctrl A, Ctrl C in order to copy, place it out here. There is no such a box as author, editor or resource. So in such a case, what I have to do? Place the backlink code at the bottom of the article itself. The page for which I need a backlink is this. If you are targeting multiple keywords, one we got a backlink for stock market outlook. This time I want a backlink for stock market outlook 2023. I remind that a single web page can target multiple keywords to rank on top, provided every keyword it gets the backlink separately. So because I have a toolbar, making use of it. Now this is in the form of a link. Publish. Publish. Approved. So there are certain websites wherein the admin will not have a manual check, but the system itself will see if the article is copied or not. Because it is from a PDF file, we are getting the approval. You copy it from different websites, they'll reject it. So do we have the backlink here? Yes, we do. When you click on it, you can see even the page opening up. So this is what is called as a do follow backlink, where there is a direct reference to the page. The moment you click on a link, the destination page opens up. But rarely you will see, going forward if I find any site, that time I'll show you, that when you open any link, some intermediary page will be there. From there the destination page will open. That means when the link is clicked, some temporary page gets opened, and then in fraction of second the main destination page opens up. So that is called as a no follow link. But I repeat, no follow, do follow, same power, do not differentiate. So this is a way that we have to keep on acquiring backlinks from the article submission site. So minimum of 20 article submissions per keyword is recommended. Clear? So at least 20 article submissions per keyword is recommended. In that, expect some 10 backlinks to get approved, more than sufficient for this step. Ping the pages. Pinging concept we'll understand later. Right now, another concept called as robos.txt. So this is not your step 2, this is not even step 3, it is some extra topic. So as we complete each of the step, whatever the extra topics are there in SEO, day by day we'll cover even that. So today we are going to cover robos.txt, again a very important concept. Note it down. The search engine spiders or the search engine software applications which go and crawl different pages in the web world are called as spiders, search engine spiders, also called as robos. So search engine spiders or robos are nothing but they keep feeding the different URLs that they have found into the database of the search engines. Okay, so notepad file with this kind of code you need to put in, wherein all the pages which you do not want to get into the search engine, you'll have to mention this line by line. Either you can mention the folder name or you can mention individual page address. First of all, why robots.txt is used? The main purpose of using this file is for security concerns. After submitting sitemap, all the pages will get indexed one by one. But maybe some pages you want it to be private. Example, let's say I have a website abc.com. Inside that I've uploaded my entire SEO notes. Now that in my website I've uploaded a folder for you to download. So there is a different dedicated URL for it. If you go there, you can download the material, you can access the content. That URL even public will know it if they are typing in Google Sanjay Technologies class notes, Sanjay Technologies files and folders, because the words are matching in the URL. I don't want those pages to even show up in the search engines. That is where I need to mention like this. So how do we use this file? For general site, Blogger and WordPress. Right on. So in case you have a general site, .NET, Java, PHP site, Then in order to block any pages from getting indexed, take a notepad file and code it in the format shown above. Like this, you'll have to place the code. So user hyphen agent, it means that every search engine has an user agent name. Every search engine. Like for Google, it is Google bot. For Baidu, it is Baidu spider. Like that, if you want to know the names, if your rules are different from search engine to search engine, then you'll have to repeat this code, and every search engine name you'll have to mention here and what their respective rules are. One code format will clear your doubts. Let's say facebook.com/ robos.txt. This file should always be present in root folder, guys. If it is not there in root folder, then it's of no use. Search engines will not even read it. So for Apple, these are the disallowed pages. For Baidu, these are the disallowed pages. Why rules are different with regard to search engine, that even I do not know. But the rules are different, which is clearly visible here. So likewise, you can also mention it. But 99% of the time, the rules are common for every search engine. And in database, star means all. That means my rules are same for every search engine. Allow all the pages except for this particular page. Whatever is your site after that, don't type here abc.com or seosanjay.com. After your website address, whatever the path is, that path you need to mention. Okay, and then I want to even block the folder. Whatever the folder name is. So all the pages within that folder are blocked automatically. Like that, how many pages you want, you can mention it line by line. Once the entire code is set, click on save and save by the name robos only. Don't type here .txt. The txt extension is coming here automatically. Only give it as robos, and that too all in small letters. Save. And then upload this file in the root folder of the website exactly the way how we uploaded the sitemap file. Okay, so just go into the cPanel file manager, public HTML, select the, click on the upload icon, and then select this robos.txt file. That is all. You do not have to inform to search engine. While the search engines are taking the content in your page, they'll first start with the robos.txt code. So something that you have blocked it, they'll never visit these pages till it remains blocked. This is a solution for robos.txt for general site. Coming to Blogger. So let's see for Blogger what is to be done for robots.txt. Login into Blogger site. Okay, then from left, click on settings. Here you will find robots.txt. Enable robots.txt. By default, if it is disabled, there is no harm, nothing but you are allowing all the pages, and that is what most of the websites want. If you want all the pages to get indexed, then robots.txt, forget it, it is not for us. Only in case you want to block it, then only use it. So enable robots.txt, okay, and then click on custom robots.txt, and in the box provided, just mention the code. Okay, whatever the code that we have, put it into Notepad. So write down. Okay, so that's the solution for the Blogger. Coming to WordPress. So for WordPress, there is a plugin by name WP Robots.txt. So I go to plugins, add new plugin, add new, and search for the plugin name WP Robots. So this is a plugin that you will have to install. Activate. After the plugin is activated, you are going to find the name on the left side. The plugin did not come here. It is conflicting with some other plugin. Anyway, settings. That is Geo, sorry. Okay, now here input the code in the format shown. So here by default wp-admin is blocked. Why? Because that's the login page. So that's a second level security. So even though a hacker is trying to get into the admin page, he doesn't even know what is the admin page, because this page will not get indexed in the search engine. Like that you can add more pages line by line. So this is what is the Notepad 5. Right on. Alright. So place the code in the box provided and save the settings. Then search engine will first read the robust.txt file before entering inside your other pages. So that is all guys for today. With this we complete the step number 2 as well as robust.txt optimization. Tomorrow we'll be discussing step number 3, press release submissions.